What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter, Riri Bites. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, we are at Seafood Place, the 4th, 28th Street, BGC. They have another branch sa Pasay and other places. Lahat po ng details nasa baba po. And also, for this one, we were originally looking, actually, naghahanap ako ng samgyupsal. Kaso the samgyupsal places are, alam mo yun, yung parang closed na. So, right now, we need the rice po. Yung dalawang rice, mamaya na, I'll ask for it.
Sige.
So, I'm here again with JC from my other vlog. And then, yeah, after workout, so kailangan naming bawiin yung kinain namin. Here, it's open 24 hours, kaya wala kaming naging problema sa pagpasok, paghanap sa kanya. Kasi andyan na siya, katabi niya yung mga kung ano-anong mga samgyupsal place. So, we also have here, this is 799 per head. The meats are unlimited, the vegetables are unlimited, the sauces and the soup unlimited. But yung seafood niya, 1 serving lang. So, ibubuhos na natin siya. Ito yung seafood. So, paano ba? Buhos ko na lang siya lahat. And then, hot pot. Siyempre, mabilis na maluto yan. And then we have here, there's spicy and non-spicy sauces na ginawa pa ng ating waiter. I know you're looking for the rice. Let me ask for it. So, JC, what do you wanna say? Let's have muna our first, para kumalma si JC. Kanina pa siya, higher ako kasi mas older ako.
Ayan. Ganun ba yun?
Yeah, sa Korea.
Okay, sige.
At saka you serve me kasi I'm older.
Okay, sige.
This is blueberry. 380 per bottle. Ganyan siya.
Okay, buti
So,
na lang siya.
unlimited yung meat for 2 hours, but you can stay for as long as you want. Kasi syempre, kasi syempre, 24 hours naman siya. And then, we can pour na the meat.
Yeah.
Ito naman, may trick ako dito na try dati. Pwede mo siyang isawsaw, tapos maluluto siya. Sa chopsticks mo, tapos pwede mo na siya kainin agad.
Tutorial pala gano'n yun.
Yeah. So, I don't know what kind of meat this is, but it's meat nonetheless. Anyway, sobrang init niya na. Again, this is in BGC, and we just had our workout sa Uptown, sa Anytime Fitness. So,
I think isang bowl muna.
ito yung, unlimited din. Isa-isa.
Isang bowl muna.
Ate. Okay.
Sige. Okay.
At saka mabilis maluto yan kasi it's manifest.
Okay lang, at least wala na lang kuha.
No, I'm just telling them.
Okay, sige.
Charot lang.
Okay.
We need our 2 cups of rice po. Hindi mo pa, bayad mo na ba yun, yung rice?
Bayad na lahat.
Bayad na, pati yung rice.
Yeah, bayad na lahat.
Ayan, so ilang seconds lang, luto na siya agad. Luto na ba siya? I think so.
I think you should put it down.
More pa.
More pa. Simmer it some more. Siguro mga 10 more seconds.
Para sure tayo, para hindi tayo ma-empacho. Charot.
Siguro mga brownish yung kulay.
And then, let's place the gulay.
Siguro maya-maya pa kasi puno pa yung isang pot. Ano ba gusto mo ito?
Di pa kasabay siya? Or yung some na lang siguro? Hindi naman siguro lahat, no? Sabayan natin yung meat.
Kasi a portion lang.
Oh.
Oops! Kaya natin dito. Kasi dito seafood eh.
So, as you can see, very interactive siya. But yung soup niya, may lasa na siya, may broth na yan. So, hindi mo na siya kailangan i-season. But if you're still feeling na kulang siya, that's why you have the sauces. Si JC is not into spicy.
Ano ito spicy naman?
Not much.
Not much.
Sakto lang.
So, siguro depende sa trip.
JC forced me to come here. Kasi dati, he has been here several times with his friend, Dar, who is Miss Scuba Philippines. Di ba?
Yeah.
Representing Philippines sa Indonesia right now at this very moment. The delegates just arrived sa Indonesia.
Malaysia.
Malaysia ba?
Kota Kinabalu is in
I'm sorry. Indonesia pala yung pinapanood ko kanina.
Yeah.
Bakit Indonesia yung nasa isip ko?
Kota Kinabalu is a part of Sabah. Sarawak.
No. I was watching Heart Evangelista's vlog earlier. She's in Indonesia. So, sorry. Kota Kinabalu
si Heart. Na-intriga kay Heart eh, no?
Yeah. So, syempre si Heart ang queen natin. So this one are refillable as well, yung iced tea natin.
This is
And
already
then I'm
good.
gonna serve JC bilang siya ang ating cook for tonight.
Then, sinimulan ko lang kasi ikaw magluluto later.
And also, yung ating rice is 50 pesos per cup. Tingnan natin later kung gaano siya kalaki. But we don't really need rice that much. Pero just in case kung mabitin kami, syempre. So I think that's okay na, JC.
Oo. Try mo nga muna.
Yeah, so try natin siya without sauce.
Shit, nakikita sa vlog yung chopsticks.
Girl, di din ako marunong. I just pretend I know. Kasi my hands are weird.
Try mo i-dip dun sa sauce.
Mas masarap. Let's try it now with the sauce. First, yung walang, hindi spicy. You should eat na. It's masarap talaga.
Sige lang.
Let's try yung hindi spicy. Guys, $7.99 per head, unlimited. Saan mo pa hahanapin yun?
Can you pass me the...
Sure, my love.
Yung isa, yung
walang butas.
Walang butas.
Yung virgin.
Yeah, yung virgin. This is good first.
Oh my God, ang sarap ng sauce na hindi spicy. Now let's try the spicy sauce.
Is that the proper bowl?
I think. Pwede naman. Kaya yan. Now let's try the spicy sauce.
Gusto ko ng soup kasi I'm
Feeling
sick.
ko mas magugustuhan ko yung spicy sauce, but we will see.
Too spicy.
Yes, mas masarap ang spicy sauce. Spicy, but may kick siya ng very konti. Pero if you're mahilig sa manghang, hindi mo siya magugustuhan. Oh, free? Wow, free appetizer. What's your name, sir? Resty. Thank you, Resty. Anong name? Ano to?
Brown rice cake.
Brown rice cake.
So, medyo
How much
matamis
siya binibenta?
It's 200 or 300 ata.
200 or 300, something. Thank you, Resty. It's just free. It's complimentary. I wasn't expecting. So let's review this. I-rate natin siya.
Init.
It's masarap. I like it. Mahilig ako sa kakanin. It reminds me of kakanin, but I'm not sure if it's classified as kakanin. Try it. So masarap. I think it's 9/10, this one. The sauces, the meat without the sauce, yung unang meat na tinry namin, it is definitely 8/10. With the non-spicy sauce, 9/10, and then with the spicy sauce, 9.5/10. Okay, so ganun siya. Yun yung unang meat, yung medyo mas light. Ito mas dark siya, so later itatry natin siya. I don't know what it's called, but mamaya. Check nyo na lang sa description. Ang sarap.
May kalasa siya eh.
May kalasa ba siya? Kalasa ko ba siya? Charot.
Yeah.
Kimi lang.
Wow.
Ba't dumating ka doon, Riri? Alam mo, I'm enjoying so much. Sobrang na-enjoy ko to. Tsaka sobrang gutom ko. Bago ako ng gym, di ako kumain. Nag-snack lang ako sa Starbucks ng fajita roll. As the cook. Thank you. Thank you, JC. Hi, tita. Inuutosan ko po si JC. Sorry po, tita. Salamat. Gusty. Ang sarap. I'm gonna compare both meats. Kung alin yung mas nagustuhan ko.
Ooh,
Okay lang.
Okay lang, sige.
I have tissue. Parang okay naman siya. Ang maganda lang dito, compared sa mga samgyupsal place, hindi siya masyadong mausok. May usok nga siya, pero from the water, from the vapor. Not from the grill, kasi wala namang actual grill. It's electric. As, you know, most hot pots naman talaga ganun. I haven't seen any hot pot place na yung uling or whatever. So we have our rice. This is 50 pesos. Let's rate the rice. Ano ba ang hot pot? I think it's Singaporean Chinese eh. Kasi yung bilinag ko na hot pot dati, the link nasa baba ko, yung previous hot pot ko sa Pasay City.
Mm.
Singaporean sila eh. So, baka ito din. The rice is okay naman siya. Sakto lang.
Parang Japanese rice ata.
Yeah, kasi bilog. Japanese rice talaga siya. I was gonna say actually.
Hindi, feeling ko basmati. Charis lang.
Ano?
Basmati.
Basmati, hindi siya basmati. Gusto ko rin yung hot sauce, guys. Promise. Yung gawa ni yung other kuya. Yung gulay natin, lagay na ba natin?
Mali magkasya.
Wait, kailangan natin i-try yung seafood pala. Okay na yan, mabilis nang maluto ang seafood, di ba?
Try this.
So, this is the shrimp. Malinis po ang aking kamay. Palamigin na lang natin siya ng saglit.
Ito po siya.
And then this one. Ay, utins kabayo dako. I think this is halaan. I'm not sure. Ang sarap ng sauces nila, guys. So, kung hindi nyo alam paano gawin, magpagawa na lang kayo. Ang laki ng garlic. Ang sarap ng garlic.
To eat that whole?
Yeah. Garlic is healthy. Let me try the other meat. Kasi habang pinapalamig ko ang ating seafood, ito yung darker meat from earlier. Kasi nakuha na natin lahat, di ba? Ang lighter meat. Mas darker red. I don't know ano siya. If you know the name, nasa baba. Comment kayo sa baba. Also, I seem to be ignoring na the normal sauce kasi I really love spicy. Pero masarap siya. Masarap siya. Ang yung normal sauce.
Let me try the dark meat.
Oh yeah, I have to compare. I think I like the other one better. Yung lighter.
Light, mas light.
Yeah, I think so.
Ito ba yung iced tea?
Yeah.
Nesty.
I'm gonna serve you soju. Let's be off, off culture muna tayo. Ay! Magpe-play na yata yung music nila. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up kasi makaka-copyright na tayo. Sana hindi masyado yung music nila. But, sinabihan ko sila kanina, pumayag naman si Resty, and thank you so much Seafood Place. Hindi naman nila